Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, happy Sunday. Tonight we are leaving on a aeroplane. We're headed to Quebec on a little ski trip. So I thought this video could be like a get ready for Quebec with me. So we're just actually headed to the mall like right after Ethan finishes making his oatmeal. It is bloomin' cold today, folks. We're on our way to the Eaton Center. Like I said, we're just gonna go pick up some things, but I thought I'd take you along, so we're just walking. Hi, we just came back from running our errands. We got this like stereo cable thing for Ethan's, what is it called? VHS camera. I got this cute little bow, like hair scrunchie for Paris because it was on sale for $1.90. I got sanitizing wipes for the airplane and Summer Fridays overtime mask, which I'm so excited. And I'm also bringing the jet lag one with us to Quebec, so I wanted to bring or get the overtime mask and test it as like a little exfoliator. And then Ethan got Heat Tech pants because we misplaced his long johns. And command hooks for the mirror in the front hallway that we got from Valley Village. We're gonna put it on the wall with command strips. And that's it, that's our mini haul. We got my luggage from the basement, so I'm just going to start filling it up with stuff. These are my pajamas. Packing for winter always requires so much more space. Like, look how small bathing suits are. You could fit like 700 in a luggage, but 2 sweaters in a luggage for winter. Okay, how many socks do I need? I'm gonna bring like a sports bra for skiing because I don't know how like vigorous it is, and I'm not trying to like you know what I mean? I brought like Calvin Klein like loose kind of like bralette bras, but I don't know, I don't want to like hurt myself or have my boobs literally rip off if I'm going a little ham or something. So I got these like ski socks for Christmas. I wore these once and the one is already MIA, so that kind of blows. Oh, and here's the other pair. I haven't worn these yet. Probably for the best considering I already lost one of those. With these socks, I'm bringing a bathing suit because at the hotel there's like a hot tub. Is the hot tub and pool outdoors or? Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. So apparently there's an outdoor like hot tub and pool. Hi. One of our friends lent us an old like VHS camera that like old home movies and stuff are filmed on. So he's just testing it out right now because he's gonna bring it with us. But anyways, I was talking about a bathing suit. Okay, so this side's done. Now time to fill up this side with like my ski gear. And I think my toiletry bag and stuff is gonna go on this side too, because it's really squishy, so it won't like hit against anything and break. It's like all this stuff's good padding. Where are my goggles? Oh, okay. And then my toiletry bag can go in this hole right here. So my carry-on is this Ted Baker big tote that I've had for years. It's just really big, so I usually use it as a carry-on for trips and stuff. It has my like day planner in it that currently houses my content calendar, which I need to know because we're filming stuff in Quebec. So I'm bringing this, obviously. And it's my carry-on, so I can like, I don't know, I like coloring and organizing and planning and stuff, so I'm gonna probably do that on the plane. So I obviously also have some pens, color-coded, duh. My glasses, Lysol wipes and Kleenex packages, my Beats wireless noise-canceling headphones, regular Apple headphones and a charger. And then these are our lift tickets for the ski lift when we get there. So I'm gonna pop those in here as well, inside my day planner, so they're like straight. And then I have this like little pouch that my mom gifted me for Christmas a couple years ago. So I'm bringing this like little roll on. It's lavender scented, so it's kind of like so you can calm down. Because I have anxiety, which everybody already knew because I have a video on my channel about it. And then I'm putting little tea tree guy in a plastic bag because I don't want it to leak, but I said earlier, I think, we use tea tree on our like pimples and stuff. So I'm popping this in its little pouch. I'm also bringing a scrunchie and a hair tie, and I can put that in the pouch too. So I'm gonna pop this pouch in my travel carry-on. We have our passports. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more Quebec videos to come. We're gonna be vlogging and doing other fun stuff while we're there. Subscribe to my channel, please, if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on Saturday.